Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can restart your Travel Town progress. In order to do so, here we are in Travel Town for iOS, and what we're looking for can be found in the bottom right hand corner. We'll see the map here. We're going to go ahead and select the map. And then from there, what we're looking for is the 3-bar menu at the bottom left hand corner. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we're going to select Settings. Under settings, you want to go to manage account. And then here you can see the option to permanently delete your account, and you can start from scratch. Just be aware that this cannot be reversed. So if you plan to start over from scratch, then make sure that you want to do that before you proceed. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.